guys, I'm here to show you guys my outfit. So I'm going to brunch. Jacket came from Yitty. You guys, if you follow me on social media at Demno6Tacos, you guys will see this jacket in a lot of clothes. Earrings came from Kate Spade. Like, I was just trying to figure out what was the perfect opportunity to wear them, and today was the day because this dress came in just the other day and I said, oh, this is perfect for the event that I'm going to. Woo, shout out to Akira. Thanks, Akira. Guess what? It also has pockets. A girl loves a dress with pockets. We're not gonna lie. Shoes, I am gonna be wearing my Gucci shoes. I think they're perfect to go with the outfit today, don't you think? So I also recently just got this Coach purse and I purchased a cute little accessory with it, and I bought a cute little gold chain. So I was invited to Killer Season Margarita for a Mother's Day celebration. Oof. Thank you, Frequency Social Media. So yeah, that's what I'm getting dressed for. That's what I'm going for. And this is why I look fabulous today. I mean, I look fabulous every day, but yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, tell me what you think about this. Every time I feel like I have nothing to wear, I end up finding something to wear, and it's always pieces that I was never expecting to put together. So yeah, shout out to me. Okay, so I am back from the brunch event, clearly because I have a band-aid now. I will be going to a magazine launch party, and I decided to take the heels off, keep the purse, of course. Take the heels off and put on some white tennis shoes. Yeah, I don't plan on doing anything different with my hair. Makeup is exactly good. All I plan on doing is maybe like adding more lip gloss, but that's about it. It definitely is an uplift. Hey girl.
I said I can have more vanilla.
He's outside. He didn't tell me that before you walked in. He just decided to come upstairs and grab it.
No. Dad said I can grab
Was this before or after?
before.
Go talk to your dad. Go ask. Honey, did you say she had some granola?
Yes, you did.
Earlier. No, you have enough granola already.
I didn't get any. I only have one bowl of it.
And see, this is why we double check with our partners. We just don't say, yeah, okay, that's fine, because absolutely not. Like, that was sus.
So what is that face for?
I don't want to go get the pizza.
Oh, you don't need to go get the pizza.
You don't have to get the pizza, girl. I'm gonna get my pizza. You don't even worry about it. You need to eat my pizza. Don't touch my pizza. Okay, don't touch my pizza.
I'm gonna go outside.
Alright, and get some.
She's so upset because she's like food. Like, why did you? That's crazy. It's not even ready yet.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, now she. Anyway. I'm about to get some pizza, eat it, and go to the next event. Because absolutely not. Just absolutely not.